how to send photo in document in WhatsApp. So if you have a particular photo you want to send as document on your WhatsApp, this could be your birthday photo and it could be your anniversary photo, or you're a photographer and I want to send a particular photo directly from your iPhone through WhatsApp and then you want to send it as document, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to send photo in document in WhatsApp, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Then locate the chat we want to send the document. So once you select the chat like this, you can say, I just send this photo normally. Now to send this photo in form of document or in document, all you just need to do is click on the chat box like this. Then click on the plus icon. That is on your iPhone. If you're using Android, just need to click on the clip icon on the chat. So just select the clip icon on your Android, and on iPhone, click on the plus icon. Then here, you're going to see document. So whether you're using Android or iPhone X, you should see document here. Then go ahead and click on document. Then an option will put that says choose photo or video or choose from files. So on your Android, click on choose photo. On iPhone, click on choose photo or video. Then go ahead, select the photo you want to send as document on your iPhone or in WhatsApp. So select this. Then go ahead and click on next at the top right. Then you should see what that says these are the photos you want to send in form of document. If you click on this drop menu, then you should see whether you want to save this to files or save to photos. But to send this photo in WhatsApp in document, just click on send. Then come to the chat, then you should see the photo sent in a document format. So instead of the photo being sent in this format, the photo will be sent in this particular format, telling you that this photo is sent in document format. So that is basically how to send photo in document in WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.